Look at it, guys. So yummy. Creamy and yummy. Guys, let's make beef stick. This is my beef here. I already cleaned it, already washed. So I'm going to be seasoning it now. Here I have my all-purpose seasoning. Minced aromatic. Onion powder. Beef seasoning. Barbecue seasoning, sorry, for barbecue. Roasting. This one is a roasti in Italian. That's what they call it, for roasting meat. This one has almost all the seasoning to all the spices, oregano, basil, garlic, ginger, everything. White pepper. Ginger powder. Parsley, dried parsley. I just love the flavor of parsley. Cayenne pepper. Another barbecue seasoning. Salt. I'm going to be adding just little salt. And then no seasoning. I'm going to mix everything together. So guys, I'm done. So I'm going to leave it to marinate for as long as I can. It's still afternoon, so I'll be making it for dinner. So I'll leave it till in the evening for a few hours, that all the ingredients can enter inside very well. So I'll see you guys later. Here is my sweet and Irish potato. I'm going to season it with salt. All-purpose seasoning. I forgot to add it to the beef earlier. And the barbecue seasoning, the barbecue, what is it called? Powder. Then I'm going to mix. I'm going to add parsley, dried parsley to it. And this is it, guys. So this is it, guys. I had to change the tray because the tray was small. I had to change it to a bigger tray. So I'll be transferring it now to the oven. Sorry for the noise because I'm boiling spaghetti. For Obi said he will be eating spaghetti. So this is it. I'm transferring it now to the oven, and then I will show you guys the outcome when I'm done. So guys, this is the final outcome of the beef stick and my potato. I don't know what's wrong with this my oven. It's always drying things. If you just put anything inside, it will just be drying up. I don't know why. I've tried to set it a couple of times and the thing is still like that. I think the best thing is to buy another one. If I had not, I would have used my air fryer, but I decided to use oven. I didn't know that it would dry it up again like this. The other day I made meat pie with the oven and it just dried up. Look at it, guys, so yummy, creamy and yummy. Dinner is ready. This is what I'm having for dinner. Look at the potato, so delicious. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye. Sleigh bells ringing through the night, joy and cheer all feel so right underneath this starlit sky. Dancing shadows on the